Have you ever pondered on the subtle nuances that differentiate the experience of driving an electric car from that of a petrol or diesel vehicle? This question might seem straightforward, but the answer is as intricate as the design of the cars themselves. Diving right in, the first point of contrast lies in the heart of the vehicles. The engines, petrol and diesel cars run on internal combustion engines, a technology that has been refined over a century. These engines operate on the principle of burning fuel to create motion, a process that is accompanied by the familiar hum of the engine, the vibration of the car, and the occasional visit to the gas station. On the other hand, electric cars are propelled by electric motors, a relatively new technology in the automotive world. These motors are eerily silent, offer smooth acceleration, and are powered by batteries that can be charged at home or at public charging stations. Another significant difference is in the driving dynamics. Petrol and diesel cars require gear changes, either manually or automatically, to optimize the engine's power and efficiency at different speeds. However, electric cars have a single-speed transmission due to their wide power band, offering a seamless driving experience devoid of gear changes. The environmental impact of these vehicle types cannot be overlooked either. While petrol and diesel cars emit greenhouse gases during operation, electric cars produce zero tailpipe emissions, making them a cleaner alternative. However, it's worth noting that the production of electric cars and their batteries can be energy intensive, and the source of electricity used to charge them can also contribute to their overall environmental footprint. Now, let's talk about the running costs. Petrol and diesel cars have relatively lower upfront costs, but higher running costs due to fuel and maintenance expenses. Electric cars, on the contrary, have higher purchase prices, but lower running costs, thanks to cheaper electricity and fewer moving parts that require maintenance. So, to summarize, the experience of driving electric cars differs from petrol or diesel cars in terms of engine operation, driving dynamics, environmental impact, and running costs. While petrol and diesel cars offer a familiar driving experience with their engine sound and gear changes, electric cars provide a quiet and seamless drive with lower running costs and zero tailpipe emissions. However, the choice between the two often comes down to individual preferences, driving habits, and the importance placed on environmental sustainability. In the grand scheme of things, the transition to electric cars represents a paradigm shift in our approach to transportation, a step towards a more sustainable future. But just like any new technology, it comes with its own set of challenges and nuances that we, as drivers, need to adapt to. And isn't that what makes the journey all the more interesting?